More snow dogs. Now we have a pea patch. Yay. You're not going in the deep snow. Toss Callie's stick for her.
Yeah, that's the stick for.
Oh, I'll get it.
Yeah. There it is.
Where's your stick? You got your stick. They're like in the shoveled sidewalk. Alright. Hold on, Callum, get your stick. Ready? Alright, see if we can get her to go bounce in the snow. Callie, ready? Go fetch it. Hard to catch a stick with a Merlin on your neck. Merlin, let her up. Trina, you gonna make some snow angels? Oh, Trina got the stick.
Trina?
Uh-huh. Good girl, Trini. Did you take that stick? You're funny dogs. You're funny puppies. Oh. There's the snowdrifts on the roof. Quite beautiful, actually. And the one track. Oh, you're cramping my photography.
Yeah, you're cramping my snow shovel.
Well, since you're doing the work, I'll get out of the way. Merlin, you have to let her up.